Yo guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video. Today I am taking a page out of Tanner from Adventure Daily's book, and that is going to be riding the CRF250L like a true dual sport. So we're riding from the street to the trail, just doing everything, going all over, seeing what we can't find, and just having a good time doing it. First things first, we got to hop on the highway, go through this tunnel to get to where we're going. See if we can do a little wheelie in here. Can't see. Literally can see nothing. Usually you don't say this, but I'm always glad when there's traffic on the highway. That way it's not moving quite as quick. Makes it a little easier for me. There's Boathouse Row. Across the water, across the Schuylkill is Kelly Drive. You've seen me ride there plenty of times if you watch the channel. Okay, now we're rolling up on the spot. Something I didn't even consider is hopefully the gate is open to this little trail. I did make a video before at this trail. It was this one, and that's where I aged and broke my stock mirror off. So hopefully it's open. I honestly didn't even really think about that. Whoa, this looks different. No way. No, it's closed? Damn, bro. That sucks. I think we need to do some stress relief with some wheelies here, right with the police. Dude, that couldn't have been better timing. This is pretty cool right here though. Put it in the water, take a picture. I don't think that's gonna stay up. No, it's not. May have screwed myself. That was stupid. I like to do stupid stuff though, clearly. I said I know where I am. I was terribly incorrect. I have no clue where I'm at. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Slam down on the front forks. This doesn't look like light terrain. Let's think this through because I don't want to start going through here and then not be able to turn around. I mean, I guess I could just spin around. I mean, this is all easy here. I could spin around here. Oh, there's people back there. They would certainly not like me riding back here. There's no way they would like me here. You see, this is where the FMF is an issue. If I had the stock pipe, it would be so much less sus. I'm gonna sit this one out, at least for now. I can always come back later. Because I'm sure there's actually probably like other spots to ride around here. More than likely. I would do it, but there's people sitting there reading a book in their peaceful, quiet little area. Give me the impression that they would, in fact, call the police. Just found a godsend. Whoa. What have we here? Where we're going, I do not know. There we go, that was a little better. These are like really nice houses around here. I think I just felt a raindrop. Oh yeah, I like that one. I think I'm totally in the area where people would get really mad at me for doing wheelies. Did he just flick his lights at me? Does that mean there's a cop up there? I did go into third on that one. I don't know if you could hear it. I did. Rain wheelie. You know, the forecast said nothing about rain. That's all I've got to say. go try and find some cover somewhere. Well guys, this is a perfect time to bring up my waterproof tank bag. Thank you Nelson Rig for sponsoring this video. Just kidding, but I did a review on the tank bag, you probably saw it like last week. It's a sweet tank bag, it's actually waterproof. Let me make sure this is down so it actually is in fact waterproof. But yeah, I love it. Keep all my stuff in there. Actually my phone's in my pocket right now for some reason, but I will put it in here so it won't get wet and destroyed or damaged. So love this bag. Check out the review here if you're interested. Can we do a burnout right now? We can. Let's go to this one. Reassess the situation at this rate. Alright guys, this is the current situation. Very wet, very rainy. Not what I expected, but it's okay, we'll survive. Alright people, we're suiting back up and getting back out there. We're probably gonna ride towards home, see what we can't find, do a little wheelies on the way, go from there. Okay. Gonna do some more rain wheelies? Why not? Gonna take it easy here because I have no clue how much grip these tires have in the wet. Haven't really ridden much in the rain on these things. And they're pretty off-road geared. Hopefully y'all can see. I can barely see. Really hoping this rain doesn't destroy my GoPro. I should put it away, but I'm keeping it out for you guys, for the content. What is this? A little leaf? Oh yeah, that is one ugly car. Not even just the color, but the shape, everything. Just terrible. Hate it. Damn! Look at that rainbow. Oh shit, it is a double rainbow. Let's go. Oh, that area is packed as all hell. Whoa, watch it. Watch yourself, son. What is going on? There's a cop down here. Do you know if I'm allowed to ride around down this area? I'm not? Okay. Alright, sorry. I didn't see signs, so I wasn't sure. You know any trails around here? By chance? Nah, you're good. I appreciate it though. Have a good one. Stay safe. Thanks. The funny thing is I was literally just about to do a wheelie there. That would have been comical. Nice guy though. Rainbow wheelie. Rainbow rain wheelie. What's that? What's that? Tissue, I think. But guys, this is now the third check-in with that jewel, and it is still here. It's pretty impressive, honestly. I think I'm actually now worse in this parking lot than I am on the street, which is kind of funny. This is moto tripping territory right here. Just full on swamp. Ooh, look at that bike. Oh my goodness. Not trying to get heated at all. The old Faithful's open. Old Faithful is open. Back through here. I'm gonna pop these goggles off because I can't see anything. Ooh, it's gotten a little overgrown. I mean, it always was overgrown. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh, sticky bush! Ow! Full log. Whew, just snap that thing off. And we're out. Nice. See, that's a nice, easy, pretty manageable trail. We'll hit it back now. that. Ah, damn, didn't want to put my foot down. Woo! We start heading home. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it didn't really go as planned, per usual, because the trails we wanted to hit were closed, unfortunately. But regardless of that, I am going to go to some new trails in the next video, so keep an eye out for that. I'll catch you next time. Later.